Welcome to the SAP Business One usability series on user form settings. Users working on specific tasks and windows in SAP Business One need the flexibility to customize their windows to maximize their productivity and gain access to important information quickly. Windows in SAP Business One by default make visible the most commonly used fields. Form settings allows you to easily and quickly edit your window according to your needs. So let's navigate to a sales order. I'm going to add a new customer, and then I'm going to add an item to my sales order. I would also like to know which warehouse this item will be picked from. So by simply navigating to the form settings icon, under table format, I can then select the fields that I would like to show in my document. So I'm going to select the warehouse field, which will be visible and also active. So now we can see the column warehouse, and I've got the ability to amend the warehouses in this column. If I go back to my form settings window and I uncheck active, you'll notice now that the warehouse column has been grayed out and I'm unable to edit this column any longer. You can also simplify your window by removing fields that are not required. I'm now going to add another item to my sales order. Here I've got a list of items that I can choose. I can also change the view of any report or list in SAP Business One. So under the list of items window, I'd like to display the pricing unit. You can then define a display name for your field. To do this, you simply navigate to Form Settings, and then I select the field Pricing Unit. So the next time I go into my list of items, I will now see that the new pricing unit field has been added to my list of items window. Likewise, if I navigate to the Open Items List report, I can adjust the table format by adding or removing the appropriate fields. Another example under Business Partner Master Data, by selecting the Contact Persons tab, I also have the ability to amend the fields that are listed here. Again, by selecting Form Settings, it will give me a list of fields that are available to define my contacts. I can include, for example, country of birth, date of birth, and also city of birth. And now these fields will be visible for entry. This is another simple example of how you can easily customize your windows based on your working requirements.